Welcome to the interactive CD sampler from Microsoft. Where do you want to go today? The possibilities are practically unlimited when you choose any of these destinations. Microsoft makes it easy for you to work, organize, create, and manage. Check out Picture It, Greetings Workshop, Automap Streets Plus, and Publisher, and see for yourself. Or click on the catalog option to learn about other helpful and easy-to-use Microsoft products.
Sometimes a great notion isn't great until it can be shared. Introducing Microsoft Publisher 97, the program that helps you easily create brochures, newsletters, flyers, websites, and much more. Customize and publish your documents with results so impressive that people will think you hired a professional. In Publisher 97, project creation always begins here with the Page Wizard Design Assistance. Suppose you want to create a brochure. Click here and answer a few simple questions about how you envision your finished piece. Page Wizard will need to know such things as layout style, bold, and the amount of text and pictures you plan to use in your document. Once you've created your layout, now you add your own text and graphics. Illustrate your layouts by choosing from more than 5,000 clip art images, more than 150 digital photographs, or your own scanned images, all of which can be modified to suit your exact needs. Then compose your text directly in Publisher. Import it from your word processor, or write and edit your text using the Word Story Editor in Microsoft Word. Use the sophisticated design tools included in Publisher 97 to add impact to your document and speed up your design process. Once you get your desired results, you'll want to publish your piece. Depending on how many copies you require, you can output the document at home, in the office, at any quick printer or service bureau. Do you want a worldwide audience? No problem. Microsoft Publisher 97 now allows you to publish to the World Wide Web. You won't have to count on a designer to correctly interpret your vision. Save time and money and get the professional quality results you're looking for with Microsoft Publisher 97.
It's Picture It from Microsoft. Photographic quality images and output from Kodak using your PC. The easiest way is to have your Kodak film delivered on disk. Then picture it inside one of the hundreds of custom-made creations. Smart Templates automatically snaps your pictures into place. Then you can crop them any way you'd like. Try out a frame, add a brush stroke. If you have a problem with red eye, Smart Taps will get the red out like that. Try cutting out a picture and adding it to another picture. Or make your own collage. Every picture is magic when you picture it from Microsoft.
Now you can create the quality of Hallmark at home with Microsoft Greetings Workshop.
Hey, you wouldn't happen to have any ideas for a child's birthday party?
No, but Hallmark Connections does.
Oh.
You can start out with unique invitations.
Oh, I love it.
With Greetings Workshop, you can make certificates and awards. Whatever. Just be sure to take lots of pictures.
Why?
Personalized thank you notes.
But won't I run out of ideas?
Not when you can go online and visit the Greetings Workshop website to download new cards and ideas. Make your Hallmark connections with Greetings Workshop.
If you like Microsoft Automap Streets, wait till you see the all-new Automap Streets Plus.
Plus what?
All new richly designed maps, more details, a huge database of restaurants and hotels, and over 6 million miles of streets mapped out so you can pinpoint virtually any address in the United States.
Oh, okay. Streets they got. What's the plus?
Say you're going to...
New Orleans on business.
Really? Well, Automap Streets Plus can pinpoint your hotel and even find the address of your meeting.
Can you draw me a map?
I can highlight your route.
Oh, I like it. Show me restaurants. What do you got?
Over 280,000.
Oh, hold it. Way too many.
What do you like?
Italian.
How close?
Within half a mile of the hotel.
Done.
Oh, now that's a plus.
But it's a business trip.
Absolutely.
Then you should import your client list and add it to the map.
You can do that?
Sure. Automap Streets Plus can import all the important information and add it as push pins without you having to re-enter the data.
Oh, that's perfect.
You can also access 14 million other business listings in the American Yellow Pages.
And pinpoint new prospects.
Or add stores you might need to your map, like...
Toy stores.
Excuse me?
I gotta get something for my daughter.
Uh-huh. Well, Automap Streets Plus has it all, including access to the Automap Worldwide website to see updates on what's happening in 425 U.S. cities and places.
Great. I am out of here.
And where are you going?
Don't know, but with Automap Streets Plus loaded on my laptop, I'll know when I get there.
But you will call.
Absolutely.
By the way, when it's time for a vacation...
Road trip.
The best laid plans start with Microsoft Automap Trip Planner.
Where's my sunblock?
When you're planning a vacation,
Road trip.
anywhere in North America,
Even Canada and Mexico?
there's one stop you should always make first.
The gas station?
Microsoft Automap Trip Planner. With beautiful new maps
Oh, look at all the details.
and more key attractions, Automap Trip Planner is the complete travel guide and road atlas. One click and you're on your way.
Where?
Where you want to go?
Paris.
Very funny.
Paris, Texas.
Okay. From where?
Moscow, Idaho.
A regular world traveler. Enter it into the new and improved Route Wizard and voila. The quickest route from Moscow to Paris, USA. What now?
Oh, I hate highway driving.
No problem. With Automap Trip Planner, you can tailor your routes to your driving preferences.
What I really like is scenic drives.
Automap Trip Planner has over 90 classic drives ready and waiting.
Wow, what else you got?
Over 2,500 photos. And now, breathtaking 360-degree views.
Amazing. Oh, what about stops along the way?
You mean points of interest?
Now we're talking.
Over 5,000 best kid pics you can add to the map.
Hotels?
Wherever you go. Amusement parks, historical sites, outlet malls.
Unbelievable. But what happens when I get where I'm going?
Call up Automap online and check the internet for the freshest updates on the goings-on where you're going.
So, whenever I'm planning a trip
From Walla Walla,
to Sarasota,
Montreal,
to Monterey,
the best place to start
hit 'em up,
is Microsoft Automap Trip Planner.
move 'em out.
And once you get there, zoom into virtually any street address in the United States.
It's a snap with Automap.
Microsoft Automap Streets Plus.
Are we there yet?
The IntelliMouse from Microsoft.
What's up with that wheel?
Well, that's how you scroll and zoom.
Get out of here.
It's true. In the old days, if you wanted to scroll, you had to stop what you were doing, move your cursor over here, and click away. Or grab onto this little gizmo and hope you could drag it to just the right spot. But with IntelliMouse, using Microsoft Office 97 and a wide variety of other IntelliMouse-compatible applications, you have all the right moves right at your fingertips. You can move the wheel to scroll, or press down on the wheel, move the mouse where you want to go, and presto, no hands.
Slow down.
To slow down, just move the mouse slower. Move the mouse down and scroll backwards. Move it across and scroll sideways. Or hold down the control key and zoom in.
Hold on. How do you zoom?
Well, the old way was to stop what you were doing, open up this window and change it by hand. With IntelliMouse, all you need are 2 fingers, one on the control key, one on the wheel, and you're zooming. Or you could hold down the shift key and collapse or expand your documents from headings like this in one swift click. There's only one IntelliMouse.
The mouse with the wheel.
From Microsoft.
Escape the everyday doldrums of work, work, work. Try your hand at Deadly Tide or Hellbender. Play Pac-Man or catch the action in Monster Truck Madness. Click on the catalog option to learn about other exciting Microsoft games.
Check out the Internet Gaming Zone.
And play multiplayer games against people across town.
Across the country.
Around the world. Tap into adventure at
www.zone.com. Get in the game.
It's easy.
It's fast.
It's fun.
And it's free.
Want to get started?
Check out the menu.
You can jump into checkers.
Roll in the backgammon.
Slide in chess. Then sneak a peek at what's in the cards.
I see hearts and spades and bridge.
Oh my. And since we're on a roll, in games like Golf 3.0, you can name your game, literally.
Which means you can host a game and name it anything you want.
Like the Big Kahuna Masters.
And write chat messages back and forth during the game. In Zoneland, you can matchmake other popular games designed to run over IPX networks.
Speaking of popular games, Hasbro's in the house, rolling out 4 of their all-time greats online.
Such as?
Should I spell it out for you?
Scrabble.
How about pass go and collect the dough?
Monopoly.
I can conquer that world in 3 clicks.
Risk. I love that. Oh, better be careful now. You know what's next.
Hey, you sunk my battleship. Mayday, mayday.
What now?
Only the biggest, boldest multiplayer adventure ever, and the only place you'll find it is on the Zone. It's Fighter Ace set in World War II. Excellent. And capable of handling over 100 players at once.
It's not just a website.
It's a community.
The largest online gaming community ever.
The Internet Gaming Zone from Microsoft. Sign up now.
You're in the zone, baby!
Now tee up with the top-selling golf game, Microsoft Golf 3.0, where the masters really play. With tips from course pros, detailed flybys of each hole, and realistic fairways and lakes. Microsoft Golf 3.0 puts you on par with reality.
Fasten your seatbelt and prepare for takeoff with Microsoft Flight Simulator for Windows 95, the latest version of the most popular entertainment title ever produced for the personal computer. Taking off has never been easier thanks to a simple point-and-click Windows interface. Want to earn your wings? A comprehensive multimedia help system brings aviation down to earth. Flight Simulator for Windows 95 puts you in the most realistic airplanes available on a PC, including a new Boeing 737 airliner and the sporty Extra 300. London, Paris, New York, Just point and click to select an exotic destination with stunning new scenery. Looking for fun? Flight Simulator for Windows 95 delivers. Loop and roll in the extra, or pick from dozens of challenges to test your skill. Microsoft Flight Simulator. From aerobatics to airliners, you're in the pilot seat with Microsoft Flight Simulator, as real as it gets.
Challenge your senses. Choose from 4 exciting types of racing. Tournament! Your ticket gets you the whole seat, but you'll only need the edge. Let's see that again. Head for the garage. Soup up your truck. Microsoft Monster Truck Madness. Be there!
Now Microsoft puts you in total control. Introducing the SideWinder gamepad. This is the pad for sports, side-to-side scrolling, fighting, and other gamepad games. Check out the 6 action buttons, 8-way cross keypad, and 2 triggers. Map complicated multi-button moves and keyboard commands to a single gamepad button. Connect up to 4 gamepads at a time with full functionality for full multiplayer game action. And the superb ergonomics makes this pad feel great.
Turn your quest for knowledge into an adventure with Encarta Encyclopedia, Encarta World Atlas, Automap Streets Plus, Automap Trip Planner, or Bookshelf. Click on Catalog to see more products to expand your world of information and culture.
There's a big, wide, wonderful world out there, and now you can explore every inch of it. Presenting the most comprehensive World Atlas ever created, Microsoft Encarta 97 World Atlas. Start with the big picture. Seamless navigation in a 3D world. Then zoom down to one of over 1.2 million locations. Looking for boundaries? Switch to a political map. Want to know what we look like from outer space? Change to satellite view, by day or by night. 14 different map styles, and now a whole new perspective on the world. 360-degree panoramic views. But why stop there? Now you can keep zooming down to street-level maps of 50 of the largest cities in the world. And we're still just scratching the surface. Encarta 97 World Atlas takes you behind the map to immerse yourself in the richness of cultural diversity, all the sights, the sounds, the music that make up our world, including 30 intimate family portraits. And now, because the world is constantly changing, you can access the World Wide Web with over 7,000 links to your favorite sites. We promised you the world. Here it is. Microsoft Encarta 97 World Atlas, the most detailed World Atlas ever created, anywhere.
When you're planning a vacation,
Road trip.
anywhere in North America,
Even Canada and Mexico?
there's one stop you should always make first.
The gas station?
Microsoft Automap Trip Planner. With beautiful new maps
Oh, look at all the details.
and more key attractions, Automap Trip Planner is the complete travel guide and road atlas. One click and you're on your way.
Where?
Where you want to go?
Paris.
Very funny.
Paris, Texas.
Okay. From where?
Moscow, Idaho.
A regular world traveler. Enter it into the new and improved Route Wizard and voila. The quickest route from Moscow to Paris, USA. What now?
Oh, I hate highway driving.
No problem. With Automap Trip Planner, you can tailor your routes to your driving preferences.
What I really like is scenic drives.
Automap Trip Planner has over 90 classic drives ready and waiting.
Wow, what else you got?
Over 2,500 photos. And now, breathtaking 360-degree views.
Amazing. Oh, what about stops along the way?
You mean points of interest?
Now we're talking.
Over 5,000 best kid picks you can add to the map.
Hotels?
Wherever you go. Amusement parks, historical sites, outlet malls.
Unbelievable. But what happens when I get where I'm going?
Call up Automap online and check the internet for the freshest updates on the goings-on where you're going.
So, whenever I'm planning a trip...
From Walla Walla
to Sarasota...
Montreal
to Monterey...
The best place to start...
Hit 'em up...
is Microsoft Automap Trip Planner.
Move 'em out!
And once you get there, zoom into virtually any street address in the United States.
It's a snap with Automap.
Microsoft Automap Streets Plus.
Are we there yet?
Welcome to the Microsoft Network, the quick and easy Microsoft way to get up and running on the Internet. MSN delivers fast and easy access to information, services, and entertainment you can really use. Just call 1-800-FREE-MSN and you'll receive a full month of unlimited access to MSN and the Internet for free. Keep in touch with your friends and colleagues online with your own email account. Shop for the best deals in travel and accommodations with exclusive MSN services. And if you ever need help along the way, our world-class customer service is always at your fingertips. The Microsoft Network, a terrific array of essential services and entertainment designed to be useful and fun for Internet beginners and experts alike. From the latest news to new cars, from trivia to travel, from search engines to software, and from haute couture to hilarious games, we've got it all. So call 1-800-FREE-MSN to receive a full month of unlimited access to MSN and the Internet for free. Then just pay as little as $6.95 a month. For the best in services, entertainment, and value online, it's the Microsoft Network. Why go online with anyone else? The Microsoft Network. You're on.
Beam yourself online via Microsoft's Internet Explorer and the Microsoft Network, your personal online transporter.
Welcome to the Microsoft Network, the quick and easy Microsoft way to get up and running on the Internet. MSN delivers fast and easy access to information, services, and entertainment you can really use. Just call 1-800-FREE-MSN and you'll receive a full month of unlimited access to MSN and the Internet for free. Keep in touch with your friends and colleagues online with your own email account. Shop for the best deals in travel and accommodations with exclusive MSN services. And if you ever need help along the way, our world-class customer service is always at your fingertips. The Microsoft Network, a terrific array of essential services and entertainment designed to be useful and fun for Internet beginners and experts alike. From the latest news to new cars, from trivia to travel, from search engines to software, and from haute couture to hilarious games, we've got it all. So call 1-800-FREE-MSN to receive a full month of unlimited access to MSN and the Internet for free. Then just pay as little as $6.95 a month. For the best in services, entertainment, and value online, it's the Microsoft Network. Why go online with anyone else? The Microsoft Network. You're on.
I need a new car. I don't have time to look. Just getting out there to shop and compare is such a hassle. I do know I want a sport utility, but there are a ton of them. It'll take time to check them all out. I've heard good things about the Toyota 4Runner. I wonder if they're in the $20,000 to $25,000 range. And what about options? I know I want airbags. It should get at least 20 miles per gallon. And after I nail everything down, I'll need detailed price information. Where do you find out about dealer cost, invoice pricing, rebates, incentives, and cost of ownership? That stuff could save me big bucks. Oh, and car salesmen. Is there a trick to negotiating with those guys? But then it would be cool just to bypass the haggling altogether. I wish there was an easier way to buy a new car.
Microsoft CarPoint, the smartest way to buy your next car.
Beam yourself online via Microsoft's Internet Explorer and the Microsoft Network, your personal online transporter. A special world just for kids? Click on Kids World and see for yourself.
Is Miss Frizzle here yet?
Look, Miss Frizzle's just got a message in a bottle. You know what that means. Get on the bus and come with us to search for hidden treasures. Dive right into Scholastic's The Magic School Bus explores the ocean.
Here's your chance to see how much of an adventure driving the magic school bus can be. Click Play Video to see just some of the amazing things you can do on these magical scientific field trips. Or click Play Game to try out some actual games and activities from the products.
Get on the bus and come with us, as Scholastic's The Magic School Bus explores in the age of dinosaurs. We'll blast into the past to see all our favorite fossils, up close and personal. We'll travel through time to 3 different ages, from the Triassic, to the Jurassic, to the Cretaceous. It's outrageous how much fun we can have over 2 million years before we were born. As Scholastic's The Magic School Bus explores in the age of dinosaurs.
Come on, ride on the Magic School Bus.
Guess where the Magic School Bus is going this time? I'll give you a hint. You might need a skeleton key. Come along with us inside the bus, as Scholastic's Magic School Bus goes interactive inside the human body.
Blast off to adventure as Scholastic's The Magic School Bus explores the solar system. We'll search high and low to find Miss Frizzle's space-age coins. They're clues to help us find her. It's hands-on, interactive fun in outer space.
Here's your chance to see how much of an adventure driving the Magic School Bus can be. Click Play Video to see just some of the amazing things you can do on these magical scientific field trips. Or click Play Game to try out some actual games and activities from the products.
Uh-oh, the Rainforest Toolbox is missing some of its samples. You know what that means. Get on the bus and come with us. You're in the driver's seat as Scholastic's The Magic School Bus explores the rainforest. We'll fly with Miss Frizzle to the Costa Rican rainforest and bioclone the missing samples to bring the rainforest to life in our classroom. Woo-hoo! Check the map in the backpack to plan your search through 3 layers and 7 different eco-zones. We'll go up to the canopy and monkey around. Head for the understory down near the ground, and just for fun, in this rainforest wrap, we'll see what pops up in the treefall gap.
Now I know what you're thinking. This couldn't happen to me.
But it can. And every time you play, it's a new adventure. Catch all the action with over 12 games and activities, like Escaping Monkey and the Rain Game. Get up close and personal with over 20 multimedia reports on everything from beetles to birds of prey.
The king of the Costa Rican rainforest sky is the spectacular harpy eagle.
We're pulling out all the stops. Places, everyone, for the fun-filled, fact-packed science adventure you've been searching for. Scholastic's The Magic School Bus explores the rainforest.
Come on, ride on the Magic School Bus.
Arnold's missing some of the rocks and minerals in his collection. You know what that means. It's going to be groundbreaking, fun-making, earth-shaking adventure. This one's going to rock the world. Scholastic's The Magic School Bus explores inside the Earth. Don't miss any of the fun.
You ready for some serious action? Then you're ready for Microsoft's Beyond the Limit Ultimate Climb. We're putting you in total control of a real mountain climbing adventure. Every decision is critical. No second chances. Scaling sheer rock cliffs, facing down wild animals, navigating through mine shafts. Whatever it takes. And every time you play, it's a new adventure. So what's it gonna be? You gonna hang around all your life? Or you gonna go beyond the limit?
Introducing Microsoft Plus.
For kids.
It has something for everyone.
Even parents. I like the 10 cool new desktop themes, like Underwater and Messy Room.
And I like the parental control feature, Protect It. With Protect It, I can set up different desktops for everyone in the family, which means I can keep my son from getting into certain programs.
And that means I get to use the computer by myself.
With a little guidance.
What about the internet?
I'll give you access to the modem.
Yes!
But I'm restricting the content you can see based on the RSAC internet rating system.
You've got a deal.
Who said that?
Talk it.
With Microsoft Plus for kids, whatever I write...
Talk it. Sticks.
In one of 20 funny voices like... Singing boy. Talk It works in Spanish, too.
Hola.
Say goodbye.
Adios.
Wait, what about Play It?
Play what?
Music. With Play It, I can record and play back music in 10 different styles and add over 100 different sounds.
Oh, yeah.
It's Microsoft Plus.
For kids.
A special word. To replay the introductory movie, just click here. Click here for product purchasing information, system requirements, and more. Click here for product purchasing information, system requirements, and more. Looking for a way out? Click here to return to the Windows desktop.